What's up, everybody? Just a little quick video. Hope everybody had a Merry Christmas and got everything they wanted. Gotta turn it down again. But I did get my GoPro. Well, it's not an actual GoPro, but it's the action camera, 4K. Ultra HD, Wi-Fi. It's really nice. Of course, I'm not doing the video on it right now. This is a real quick video. They ended up flying me back, which is another surprise. I could have swore I was going to be bussed back. But anyways, I'm glad I wasn't bussed back. The time off that I had, I enjoyed it. I didn't see my family, and my son was keeping track. 118 days. But I gotta tell you, Stevens Transport is annoying motherfuckers, man. From the minute I was off, every fucking day, at least two times a day, maybe more, 3, 4, I'd at least get a phone call from my DM, wondering if I was gonna come back early. They were offering me an extra $300 if I wanted to come back early. Then I'd get these fucking text messages. Are you ready to roll yet? When do you think you're gonna be back in your truck? Are you coming back early? The whole fucking time I was on home time. I was like, are you fucking serious? Let me enjoy my shit. Y'all are calling me saying, call me back. It's an emergency. We gotta do this. And all they wanted to know is, hey, you gonna come back early? Hey. And I'm like, you know what? Y'all motherfuckers can go suck a big fat cock. But yeah, I just couldn't believe it. I was just like, holy shit, y'all motherfuckers are stupid. So I end up flying back, right? They give me a ticket. The one I got back going home was straight there, Denver to Charlotte. This one here was Charlotte to Chicago, an hour and 20 minute hour and 20 minute layover in Chicago to Chicago to Denver. So my hour and 20 layover ended up I only had like 10 minutes to go from gate to gate, because the flight from Charlotte, whoever was coming in, we were waiting, it was an hour and 15 minutes late. So yeah, I almost didn't make that fucking flight in Chicago, but I made it. I finally got there and made it to Denver. Got my bag. Fucking TSA. They took my not my carry-on. Well, they searched my carry-on too. They could put it through the X-ray machine like 5 fucking times. I'm sitting there waiting. I'm like, what the fuck do they see? Ain't nothing in that motherfucker. And then they were like, yeah, it's going to have to be searched. So they search it. And the dude just like opened some movies that I had packed in there, because I had my laptop with me now. And he was like, yeah, you're good. He didn't even search it. Didn't even search any of the pockets or nothing. I was like, what the fuck was that all about? Just keeping me waiting for like 10 fucking minutes so you can just say, yeah, you're good. Fucking joke. It'd be alright if they would actually fucking search it, But anyway, so I get through there and I, had my luggage bag checked, and it was 6 pounds overweight. So I had to pay $75 to fucking pack that bitch to get it on the flight. So then, this is supposed to be a short video. So then, anyways, I make all the trips and go to Chicago, go to Denver, get my bag, and I make it back to the truck, and they had ripped open my bag and took out my fucking batteries and confiscated them. And they leave this little TSA fucking checkpoint shit in your bag to let you know. I don't know if I still have it or not. Oh, yep, here it is. Hold on a second. I was mad, man. Bag. Out of everything out of my bag. See? What's kind of backwards to you? TSA. Out of everything out of my bag, that's all they took. Was I have a headlamp, and it's got a flashing mode, a real bright mode, and a kind of a dim mode. But basically, the with all the lights on at once, it's 8,000 looms. I mean, this motherfucker's bright. I used to use it when I crawled houses doing termite inspections. So now I got to get back on eBay and fucking order some more batteries. Because I got the headset and I've got the fucking charger and all that. I just ain't got the batteries. But anyways, yeah. So this was stuffed in my bag, you know, saying to protect the passengers, you know, blah, 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 blah. During the inspection of the bag, if any, you know, it basically gives you a number and shit. You can say, hey, what'd you do with my shit? Oh, we threw it away. But anyway, so I get back to the truck. Truck's been sitting for 6-7 days. You know that motherfucker ain't gonna start, man. Here it is, it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. They have a shut-off, battery cut-off. I cut that off, just hoping, you know, maybe, but, and this bitch was dead as fuck. So I ended up sitting here. It was like 2 fucking degrees. I sat here for 2.5 hours waiting on TA. Fucking freezing my ass off. Needless to say, I didn't get to bed until about 4 o'clock in the fucking morning. 4:30 in the morning. I called Road Rescue, the breakdown. I told them, you know, everything that was going on and all that shit. And about an hour and a half later, I call them up again. I'm like, hey, man, I called you about an hour and a half ago. I just want an ETA on the TA guy. And he was like, okay, you know, being all fucking like, you know, hey, dude, it's 2-3 in the morning. You're bothering me. I'm fucking taking a nap. And I was like, I just want to know an ETA, man. It's like 2 fucking degrees out here, and I'm freezing my ass off. He was like, oh, I'll have to call him. So basically, it ended up being about 2.5 hours, almost 3 hours of just fucking sitting here freezing. But got the truck started, warmed up, got everything unpacked. I just got done eating here at the Flying J. I spent a good 40 minutes trying to find a place to park from truck stop to truck stop. But other than that, that's it. I got to set up all my fucking gadgets for the action cam, and I did take a little bit of video at home just to see how the quality was, and the quality is good. The audio is not going to be all that because it's waterproof, so it's got a waterproof case, but there is one attachment that you can use without the case, so I'll figure something out. But all right, later.